These are my sips. Please stop drinking that. Guys, these are my sips. Yep. This is a groundnut here, which I will be giving to them. Guys, I'll be giving them this groundnut hay before I head to my construction site. Yep. This ram water made with that sip over there. As you guys can see, they're eating now. These are the sips I'm rearing, and then I'm heading to my construction site, guys. Guys, I'm currently at Brikama, one of the biggest towns here in the Gambia. Brikama. This is how the street market of Brikama looks. Guys, this is the Brikama street market, and then I need to be careful here, guys. I'm filming the same time driving. I wish to have a cameraman with me here. Guys, I wish to have a camera man with me here. Guys, this is how the street market of one of the biggest markets here in the Gambia looks. Guys, I'm heading to buy cement. Guys, I'm heading to buy cement. I'll be buying 10 bags of cement, which I'll be molding as a block. Yep. Alright guys, so guys, I'll be buying 10 bags of cement, which I will be molding today. Yeah, so this is where they sell the cement. Yeah. This is my phone. Huh? Mira. 10 bags. So guys, this is the bag of cement. And then I hired this tricycle, which will take it to my construction site. That's one bag. Lola. 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kilimbijan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, Lola, 10 bags. So guys, that's the 10 bags of cement. Each bag costs 450 Gambian dollars. And this is my car, so they'll be following my car. Guys, I'll be leading them and then they'll be following me to my construction site. So see you on my construction site. Guys, I just reached the construction site, which is here. Huh? Yeah, and then the tricycle guy is over there behind me. Guys, these are my blocks. Yeah, this is the blocks last time I molded. And the tricycle guy is over there. Guys, this is the cement they have already offloaded, and then they are taking it to my construction site. And that's the tricycle guy behind me. He has a breakdown. You guys can see. Maybe I will use my car to pull him. So guys, the thing is like, the tricycle guy has a breakdown, and then my workers are carrying the cement from that main road to my construction site. That's one of my workers. They move. So guys, I'm going to get my car and then tie his tricycle on my car, and then I'll be pulling the tricycle to the main highway. Maybe I can even take it to where I buy the cement so that he can get a repair. But I have already paid him. Yeah, I have already paid him. So, and there's my land over there. Yeah, that's my car. Let me hide my number plate. These are the molding things. These are the cements which they are carrying, bringing here. And this is my blocks. and that's my son. Yep. Alright, viewers. Guys, I'm just from calling the guy who's responsible for this tank, this garden. As you guys can see, it's a banana garden, as you guys can see. So this is where I get the source of my water, but it's not free of charge. You have to pay for it. As you guys can see, having access to this tank, this water, for the whole day, it's 700 Gambian dollars. Yeah, which is like $5 US, or yeah, I think it's $5 US or $6 US. And this is how it looks here, viewers. My workers are arranging the block they mold last time. That's where I'm heading to right now. Yep, people are really constructing. You guys can see. I'm just from this barrel is my own. This barrel, it's mine. Yep.
Exactly. Nindal be do kosika waru ita fanambe ngamu kosibi.
Yeah, ndabo ko roseka. Nimbamba jofo bonna jinka. Ah.
Pabi ngamunge. Koni manga bulo ko kosa. Ni mol jani mol jila. Bari ko faare mol ka tara laari. Ya understand.
Kunu nara nan jando ge dolla ni wol bende no wol ka jiyola natna. Wol ko bidon 10 250. Bidon 10 250.
Wol nyaabe ma.
25 aj. Ka bande ha silo tede.
Dadi ngom yalan ko fo bidon 20 bam fo 200. Bidon 20 200. Wol dadi ndola babi ndola. Bidon 22 aj.
Ah, ndako. Ndo gere wala bola ni tricycle wala. Comme ni mano ni mun nara nanja. Eni wala.
Ni bila man jor ko ka bidon tan 100.
It was 250. So I calculate bidon 20. 5 and go hell no. It's better to pay 700 than that.
25 and you won't do la for no, wal buka mo yiswa.
Ndo gelende.
Man pompo to de man fel.
Ha. Ewa transfer la ya nadina.
No, no correct. Ndol pabi ya jang. Bidon 20. Bidon 20. Fengo 2 aj.
Bidon 20.
Barigo pula ko le bi.
Ha?
10 bar.
Ala gimana kul dala? Bari ke baji mbe jana ñu la ba use kam fa wal fo yo kolé la fa. Ala ya ba jana. As you guys can see, my workers are arranging the blocks. Yeah, the blocks they mold last time. They are arranging it. They are arranging them. Yep. So we are waiting for this water guy, so that my workers can have access to water. Yeah. And an update about the tricycle guy. Yep, he just left right now without me pulling the tricycle. Yep, he was doing some little work on the tricycle and then it started moving again. And then guys, I'm somehow hungry though. Finally guys, they are done packing the blocks. So the next thing they're gonna do is measuring the cement with sand over there. But there's a music playing on the background, so I don't want to get copyrighted on this video. So and then I don't also want to stop their enjoyment though. Guys, that's the guy who is responsible for that water tank I saw you previously. He's the guy responsible for it. Yeah, he just informed me that I just opened the tap so the workers can start using it. Guys, let me put this in the car first. Guys, this is just a water and a soft drink. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Guys, I'm just from Just well done. I'm just from by the breakfast, guys. Yep, let's go. Guys, I just arrived at the construction site. I buy this bottle of water. I buy 2 of them. I give that other one to the guys doing the construction here. And this is my bread. Yep, it's bread with chicken sauce. Yep, that's what I will be having for breakfast. And then I also buy a canned drink. Yep, which is this one. My food. So you guys can see the mixing of cement and sand is going on here. Yep. Tell me one, you don't want to finger back. No, imagine what do you use? But the cover don't be done. Oh, quite it. No. No, come imagine you in a college. I don't for the water level. Type of bottle. Anyways, I'm just heading to the garden where I will be getting water. And the guy you saw behind, and then the guy you saw inside the car is the guy responsible for the water over there at the garden. Yep. He said he was going to the main highway, so I take him along with me and then I buy him a breakfast. Yep. Let's go. Guys, this is how it looks here. So quiet, so peaceful over here. Guys, this is where the pipe stops. This is where the pipe stops, and then it connects up to a tap over there inside the garden. And then my workers, this is where they will bring the buckets and the barrels. This is where they will bring the buckets and the barrel to fetch water and then take it to the construction site over there. It's somehow far. Yeah. So peaceful, so quiet. Guys, this is the banana garden. Water is a big challenge here. You can't do a building construction without getting access to water. Oh my goodness, let me be careful before I wound myself. Guys, this is how the water looks. It's somehow clean though. And this is the banana garden. Let's go, viewers. Let's just go back inside the car and then I also eat my breakfast. Anyways, viewers, guys, it's breakfast time for me. Let's go. And then if you watch the video till here, just kindly give the video a big thumbs up. Your likes really helps a lot. It helps YouTube to push the video to a larger audience, and then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel too. Your subscription also really helps a lot. Let's go, viewers. Wow. This is the bread, and this is a canned drink. I will continue with you guys when I'm done eating. Guys, that's one of my worker. He went to fix the pipe onto the tap. Yeah, fix it. Yeah, I've been out on there. Yeah. Guys, I'm still eating, but I'm full. Alex.
Andal para makoy wem panangatango.
Wala ka tawa. Aba so na ala inshallah. Do mo mo. Mo wala ka ro be damen do. Yeah. Namo kayan dale boy, why you baru?
Ha?
Namo kayan dale boy.
Bire do bulare.
Emang
Ama boy.
mungkin dale boy. Jadi balan dale tiga.
Ah okay. Ora bulang asam mo nyo lajan.
Okay. Dara.
Alam niya ngara asam.
Let's go viewers guys. Let me just wash my hand. Bilal. So guys, this is what's going on here guys. Ah? ISO? ISO? No. As you guys can see, mixing of sand and cement is taking place over there. Yep. Guys, this is where my construction workers are fetching the water, and then I'm the one here controlling the pipe, the hose pipe. We are transferring it from different barrels, like this one is full, and then I will transfer it to here, and then when the guy comes, he will come and just load it on the wheelbarrow and then take it to the construction site. But I think I need to buy another hose pipe. This is not this hose pipe is not mine, but maybe tomorrow I will try to bring another hose pipe, which I will connect to this pipe so that it will be able to reach at my construction site, which is over there. Yeah. Guys, my workers start molding blocks. Yeah, this is how the block looks. First bag is in a First ni second. Full here. Okay. Guys, they start molding blocks. Yeah. Alex. Yeah. That's the main guy. I don't fuck on it, he's getting through. Yes, this is what is going on here. I'm sitting inside the car, supervising the work. Yep. Still molding block is going on. They will complete these 10 bags of cement today, and then tomorrow they will mold another 10 bags. Yep. Guys, they are almost done. They mold some bags of cement. Yep, and then it's left there a few. Guys, we are almost done. This is the only bag left there. This is the only bag they will be molding. Close for today. Finally, guys.
Sister Indola Mary, Sajang Kolong, Ibalan Lale. Aboluasola Nasser opposite.
Guys, finally we are done for today. Till tomorrow. Tomorrow also I will be molding 10 bags of cement. This is 10 bags of cement, and then tomorrow also I will mold another 10 bags of cement, and then my workers are done for today. And then this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. This is all what I have for you in today's video here on my construction site. And then if you want to support your boy, you are highly welcome. I'm out. Peace.